Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double bark, borderless collection. It's very beautiful combo color. An excellent dual tone color saree here. Red and mango yellow mix. So it gives a beautiful honey shade color. It's a dual, and you can see the excellent glossy finish of the saree. And we have a very beautiful big butta design, 3D type, square outside and inside it. If you see closely, it's a 3D type concept, very beautifully done using silver and gold zari alternatively. Very beautiful one. The color shades are looking really fantastic with a dark maroon color pallu. Pallu also have the same design, 3D textured design with plain blouse piece. The pallu process is already made and the combo is perfect with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, borderless collection with very beautiful big butta designs in gold zari. An excellent concept and beautiful combination. Bottle green, dark bottle green color, black and bottle green mix. And you can see the beautiful design buttas, 3D type, a square outside and inside you can see circles that is done in a 3D pattern. When you view for a few more seconds, it's very beautiful design, a trendy one. Borderless concept, and it's a handcrafted saree, fine finish with the red maroon color, reddish maroon, and the same design is given, the 3D pattern is given in the pallu as well using gold zari, and we have a maroon color blouse piece, plain one. The combination is very pretty with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double bark, a very beautiful collection, silver and gold zari work. Excellent collection. Here we have a beautiful combination, rare and excellent combo. Purple color, dark purple color saree with very different diamond shape, square and a diamond shape, and we have gold and silver zari work. 3D type buttas, elegantly done using silpas zaris. Here we have a silver, alternatively gold, and we have a beautiful half-inch zari border that is done using silver again, and we have a very elegant yellow pallu is also very bright here with same design incorporated very beautifully in a 3D concept. Same color blouse piece. Combination is also beautiful, trendy design, completely handcrafted with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, 240 jacquard weaving, Aravatam design buttas, a new launch. Very elegant, different design butta. The saree color is also a pretty color here. Pastel shade, light pink, mild peach mixed pink it is. Pastel shade with a big butta. You can see the size, very elegant butta. And the copper zari is used here for the butta weaving. Original copper zari. The pattern of the butta is also very elegant. A mango, half leaf flower design. See, beautiful Aravatam buttas, 240 jacquard weaving, finely crafted, very excellent premium quality soft silk in the borderless concept with a beautiful contrast turquoise green color pallu. Pallu design is also pretty one, perfect Kanjivaram pallu with a plain blouse piece. Combination is very beautiful, an ultimate pastel combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful collection, a thin silver zari border, excellent saree, Aravatam designs, an excellent combo color, a violet, a pink and magenta pink mixed with red to get a very beautiful violet shade. And we have a 3D type buttas, square in a diamond shape, very elegant one, gold zari and silver zari alternatively used. And we have a thin zari border in some just 1/4 border, and we have a very beautiful finish. It's completely handcrafted with very different color, yellow with mild green mix color, a lime yellow we can call, same color blouse piece, and the pallu design is also a 3D type one, very elegant. Combo is also very pretty with authentic silver. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful collection, excellent combo. Thin border, copper as well as silver zari work sarees. Here we have dual tone, bright red mixed with mild orange to get a beautiful glowy red color. It's very bright one, really beautiful, with copper jari and silver jari mixed work buttas in one portion, and next alternatively we have full silver. The buttas are in 3D concept, diamond shape, squares, rectangles, very beautifully done with a thin border. That is a very small thin border that is in silver jari work, and contrastly we have a lime yellow and green mixed color. Pallu is also a dual tone here with the same design, 3D concept in the pallu as well, with plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made, an excellent eye-catchy combination with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very thin border, beautiful collection, with silver jari work, sarees, attractive combination here, copper sulphate, Mananda mixed blue color, very beautiful one, with a square shaped diamond design butta, that is 3D type. You can see the butta, very beautifully weaved one, excellent design. And we have copper and silver mixed jari work, original coppers mixed with silver jari, and alternatively silver completely used here for the butta weaving. A thin border, that is almost 1/4 border given in silver jari work, and we have a very contrast lime yellow and green mixed color pallu. Very different dual shade color pallu with the same butta type weaving in the pallu design with plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made, an attractive combo with authentic silk mark. It's completely handcrafted saree too.